Hello everybody, this is going to be a very short video. This is a taste test. Yesterday I went to the supermarket and they had all kinds of fruit that I have never seen. So I saw this fruit here. Isn't that shape pretty? Look at that, the shape of it. And these are supposed to be lemon pears. And it was kind of expensive. It was $4.99 a pound. And I said, I want to try that. So I'm going to drink a little water. I don't know anything about these pears. I'm going to drink a little bit of water and I'm going to try it. So now let me try it. I washed it off. Let me try it. Would you believe it is sour like a lemon? It tastes like a very sour plum to me. The closer I'm getting to the center, the more sweeter it's getting. Since this is supposed to be like an exotic fruit, they charging a lot for it. It tastes just like plum, y'all. It's just sour. When you first bite it into it, it's sour. I like it. This fruit can really fool you. Because you wouldn't know that the middle of it is sweet. Because it's so sour. In the beginning, it's sour. The supermarket where I got this from is called Super Fresh. That's a real clean store, y'all. It's real clean inside. It's a nice supermarket. I noticed that some things are very inexpensive and some things are expensive. I found some good deals on their cereal. That's delicious. They had a real big box. The real big boxes of Kellogg's cereal was $5.99. You can't beat that. Let me go and get that box because that's a good deal there. See this big box, y'all? $5.99. You cannot beat that. That is such a good deal. That is a good deal, y'all. So let me get into this other one. It's real sour again. This one is a little more juicy. Don't taste like a pear at all. So super fresh. They don't have a whole lot of those stores. They do have about 3 or 4 in the surrounding area. I like how clean the store is. Everything is packaged so nicely. They have a lot of other fruits that I want to try. This is a winner. If you have a super fresh in your area, they got vegetables, but the fruits, some fruits I'm gonna have to be careful with because I'm allergic to a lot of things, but I don't think I'm gonna be allergic to this. This lemon pear, delicious. I enjoyed that. So thanks for watching. I know this wasn't much of a video, but I just wanted to share it with you. If you are from Ecuador or you from somewhere else and have tried this fruit, let me know what you think about it. All right, I'll be back soon with more videos. Bye now.